Finally, we got some decent rain coming down. We just got back from our grocery run. And yeah, skies have opened up. Finally. Getting some rain on the grass. Oranges will have more water as Irma tries to move plants into the water and she's getting wet. Oh boy. As I try to pull up the weather radar app here, see what we're getting. Yeah, it looks like we got this cell coming in. I'll try to animate it to see if this comes out here. Yeah, it's like a nice little band coming through. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Coming in from the southwest. About time we got some good rain. It's probably the best rain since, well, last night wasn't much. And yeah, first good rain since, well, I say October. Yeah, that's an airplane. Hey, looks good. Yay, we got good one. Got strawberry, water, our pineapple, water, orange tree, grass, Pearl's mud hole. Yeah, Pearl's mud hole is gonna get some water. Yep, drink up during the rain.